So let's start this session with the prayer to Sadhguruji. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Gurudevo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Dhyanamoolam Gururmurti, Pujamulam Gurupadam, Mantramulam Gururvakyam, Mokshamulam Guru Kripa, Mokshamulam Guru Kripa. I specifically bow to my Divine Master, who is the supreme holder of all the divine words, and I pray to him that so that we are always guided by his kind grace, and we may get across this worldly ocean by grace of the Divine Master. So I bow to him again and again and again. That's the blessing. Let's seek his blessing so that we achieve the objective of this human birth. That's the most important thing. Whatever we do, ultimately the objective should be met. So all these efforts are for a certain objective, for a certain target, for a certain topic, and that should finally happen. So let's pray. Let's try our best to be on that way. So I'm taking these questions as one by one because this I have made a list, and if anything is pending, I'll take it further. So here we start now. We keep on adding on as required. So here are the questions as you have sent. I take it one by one. If required, we'll add and keep on adding more and more. So first thing first, as you have already given the set of questions, we take that first. What is the future situation like for Germany? We have the list also, and who and this question is by Mananji. Mananji is there. Manan. Okay, perfect. The situation for Germany, as per the prediction, as I know, see, it's not definitely it's my prediction only. Whatever situation we have seen in the angelic prediction, and it's not definitely not whatever is there in astrology or something like that. I don't do any calculation. Whatever I see, I'm dictating that part. If you agree, most welcome. If you don't, it's your wish. No enforcement, no nothing. So first is situation for Germany as well as other parts of the Europe is going to be very tough in the coming 2025 to 2020 2031, this time period. I'm taking as a uh, so this is called Yuga Parivartan change. Yuga Parivartan is a big change, catastrophic change. So we are calling it as a Yuga Parivartan. It's not actually that the situation is not changing from Satya Yuga or Kali Yuga or like that, but definitely it's a big change. So the situation in Germany and other parts of Europe is going to be very, very tough. As the angelic prediction we have got from angels, we are able to see certain things and the things going to happen in Europe. First of all, the communal rights will be on top in Europe. The other difficult part in Europe will be uh, because of the situation of the Ukraine and Russia war. The things are going to be worse and even going even bad. It's not about Russia and Ukraine only. You know it very well, right? It's not about Russia and Ukraine only. It's about simply about US and Europe. And USA as at this moment, because all are connected. And as Trump is there as the president of USA, we can see so many disastrous decisions happening. You all agree with me? so many decisions which are totally out of the way. Even his own members, his own members of his own party are not happy with him. And this is that, as I said in one of the prediction, I'm repeating it again. Trump is going to be the last president of USA, United States of America. Last president means after that things will break up. I can see things happening very, very bad, very, very bad. It may happen. The United States will no more be united. It will have different parts of the country will be broken up in different. All the states over a period of time will start claiming their own country. Many states will start claiming their own country. You will see this happening in the period of 2027, 28, 29. Not exactly time period, I cannot say, because the things will keep on changing over a period of time. But even now, things have started going very bad for Trump administration. And so many decisions have been taken back, and the tariff, that thing, even the court has denied. The court has even denied that court has gone against Trump. That why are how can you do your own tariff plan according to your wish without knowing what is written in that constitution over there. He's saying a lot of things are there. You know it very well. But I'm just making it very clear that the things in his own country are not in his favor. How about the entire rest of the world? The China is showing him the eyes. India is also showing him the eyes. Only the countries who have taken loan from the US, they are only sitting as of now. They are being afraid of this country, and they know that he's not in the center. So things may go bad, will go bad. You can see that he is going to destroy USA economy. He is going to destroy so many things that the number one position of USA will be destroyed. They will no more be number one. The world order will change. The world order will change. Even now, the situation, we have started seeing the different parts of this particular statement. As I'm saying, we have started seeing this situation. The world is no more same. Till now, as per India and USA relations are concerned, they used to do anything. They used to throw anything on India, and India was just like always in a receiving state. And we are all listening to you, and we are all, because we are dependent on you. When somebody is dependent on somebody, then they always make use of it. And all the developed countries, including the USA and Europe, have done that thing to entire world. They have taken all the India and all the Asian countries and the African countries as they are like their puppets. They are tried. They have used them. They have used for them for their own purpose. Now this is the time for the karma of the country to evoke. This is the time for karma of the country. Basically, is a result that they have done in the past. Now they have to bear the pain. The things will go bad. So so they're all connected, because the question is about Germany only. But as I said, it's not only about Germany. The situation is about most of the Europe and USA. So what you should do. So let me tell my points. As I have the things are definitely bad in 2025 to 31. The time is not immediate, but it may start early 2027. The divine powers are trying to restore peace as much as possible if the people show a sign of improvement. If these countries show a sign of improvement, the divine powers are trying to do their favor. But if not, things will definitely go worse. So what I'm saying is, the communal rights may open up. The economic situation may go very bad in the European countries. Even now, so many things they are lacking in so many things. I want to know the real situation, because I can see from the prediction point of view and some news, they are showing that the some of the malls of UK, are empty, with a lot of supplies are down, and there even the gas situation is bad. The gas situation is, well, like we had seen a very bad time period when the entire Europe, a big part of the Europe was all under darkness. The light was not there. We have seen that situation last couple of days. So what I'm saying is, this had never happened in past couple of years, even centuries, even decades. It has never happened. But in particular time period, the half of the Europe was under that darkness. It's not a common thing. That's a warning as per my understanding. Now, what to do? Should we leave the European countries immediately and come back? No, it's not like that. First of all, as I said, the time is not immediate. So it may come up in 2027, 28, 29. Things will change, and world will finally come to a world war situation in 2030, 2031. As we can see in my prediction only, as I said, it's not defined. Things are going to be, the divine powers are trying that the world, this world war may not happen. But as we can see from most of the thing in our angelic prediction, it is coming up that it will happen. They cannot avoid it. Then cannot avoid it. It's kind of a catastrophic change that will happen. It's kind of a war, full-fledged war. It may happen. So that's what the thing is. I think we must take some precaution as much as possible. So do not invest much in the share market. Keep your money safe, as you may have the situation where we may have to fight for survival for a couple of some time. And also, if you are just doing some job with some MNC company, things may go even bad. Things may go even bad, because you must have some kind of financial base. But please keep your financial base somewhere in the US, in your country, in European country, or wherever you are living as of now. But at the same time, keep some part in India as well. Please, if possible, keep a base somewhere in India. India will have the situation bad, but not as bad as the European and the USA, European countries and USA. So that's what my prediction only. I'm not saying it this is the final verdict, but this is what I've seen. Now we can move on to the second question. If anything else is there, we can reply to that thing. Okay. See, Singapore situation is not going to be that bad situation. Singapore is a different, altogether different thing. The continent is different. I'm saying the problem will be more likely to be there in the European country and the USA. I'm not said about the Eastern country. No, things going to be much better. I'm not saying it's going to be the best, but much better than Europe. Australia will be safe, comparatively much safer. Much safer. Yes, some communal rights there may be there. There may be some black and white things will be happening. Some Asian and non-Asian things will be happening over there. Some kind of unrest will be there as well in the Australian country, Australia. But comparatively much better. Even New Zealand will be even better. But Asian countries will have a state of unrest. The only problem could be due to in these Asian countries will be only due to the natural disasters. See, natural disasters is a different thing altogether. We are able to see so many natural disasters we can see happening. There may be tsunamis, there may be tornadoes, there may be flood-like situations. That situation is, that is natural. If it is natural, at least we can take care of certain things. But please keep a base in India if possible for everyone. For Singapore and other countries, things are not going to be that bad until unless some natural calamity happen. That I cannot say. That can be predicted for everything. I have not seen for these countries some major catastrophic things happening. No, I have not seen that.